We've almost completed the design of the virtual robot. We just need to add the arm that supports the claw and then the claw assembly itself. To add the arm, I've positioned the gears in a specific way, so I'll set them up just as I'm showing, with those two holes at the top and then the middle one just below. And to prevent that moving, I'm going to set the grounded check mark on, so temporarily that gear cannot move. I'm now going to place the channel inside the assembly, and that's a 1x3x1x20 hole. So we'll place that over on the left. We just need one of them. And to make it easier, I'm going to turn off the visibility of that second gear. It'll be very difficult to place this channel with that in that location. Then we're going to rotate that around. The location of that channel will be along that line of holes. So let's rotate and move the channel into place. Make it much easier to select and place using the eye mates. Now interestingly, there are no eye mates on the gear. This is a slightly different technique, but the eye mate that's on the channel will only work if it finds a match. So our usual technique, hold down the Alt key, grab onto the eye mate. As I say, there are no eye mates on the gear, but there is a matching constraint or edge, so it works very well. I'm going to align that channel then with the other holes and add just a second constraint which will hold it in place. I'll swing that around. I'm just going to grab that 1 second from the bottom. Using that technique that we've seen before, I'll just select that eye mate, hold on the Alt key, and then it will snap onto the edge of that circle. There it is. So that's good. That channel is now locked in place. So I'm going to remove that grounded check mark so the gear can move. And there we go. We can see that arm is moving correctly along with the gears and the motor. And I need to turn the visibility of the 84 tooth gear back on. So let's check to see how that's all fitting together. We're going to look at the front view here. I was a bit suspicious when I was placing that, and we can see there's a fair amount of interference between the channel and the gears. So just as I noted with the problem on the battery pack, I'm going to make a note of this one as well. So either the gears are too close together or that channel is too large.